If you can't shower as a paraplegic, well, let me show you how. Welcome to another video. I'm T11 and I'll be showing you how to shower as a paraplegic. But before I start, it's time to give a shout out to a new subscriber. So today's shout out goes out to Dan Rocha. Alright guys, without more time wasted, let's begin. If you want to see more quick tips, tricks, then consider subscribing. And if you learned anything from this video, then leave a like. And if you appreciate my videos, then I'll be leaving my Cash App and link in the description. Anyways, that's it for this video. As always, stay humble. Till next time.